So we certainly have been seeing risk sentiment returning to market this week, and this is indeed with the passage of the French election. So certainly we do know that last week the market itself was surrounded by jitters, and the market was seen buying into safe haven with geopolitical concerns in North Korea and also the upcoming French election weighing on investors' mind. The passage of the election itself have really given the market some relief, with Emmanuel Macron and Marine Le Pen emerging winners. The wide margin accorded to the market stability choice Emmanuel Macron against Marine Le Pen based on the polls for second round have also caused the market itself to really price in his win. So the Euro-US dollar have shot above 1.09 at the start of the week and has been hanging just above this level as well into the middle of the week. Here in Asia, week-to-date gains itself has given Euro-US dollar 2% gains. But indeed, that is not the only thing contributing to the positive sentiment within the market. US earnings have largely surprised on the upside. The one-third of the companies reported on the S&P 500 so far saw 78% of these companies with earnings surprising on the upside. And certainly we are going to see more companies report for the rest of the week, and that is one thing to watch for. But in addition to that, there was some jitters in the markets as well. So that really was surrounding the Chinese market. Steep falls was seen at the start of the week for Chinese stock market after the government announced over the weekend that there were intentions of deleveraging within the financial sector. So the CSI 300 is down 0.38% week to date as of last check. But that said, this could actually be opportunities when the sentiment turns and as the concern surrounding this item actually dissolves. So for the rest of the week, what are some of the items to look for? Certainly today's tax announcement by President Donald Trump is going to be top of the traders' mind. So how he's going to announce and the reaction by the market is something that you should follow closely. But in addition to that, Thursday itself brings central bank meetings from the ECB and the Bank of Japan. So no rates are expected from these two key central bank meetings. But that said, the rhetoric surrounding what they think about future plans of tapering and the change of interest rate will be one thing to look for. And last but not least, Friday also brings in US Q1 GDP. So the first reading is expected at 1% down from the 2.1% seen previously. And any surprises on the upside could still bring the US markets higher over there.